In today's lesson, we're going to learn two words that have an identical pronunciation but a different spelling. Hi, I'm Maria Fernandez, your English teacher. These are the two words we're learning today. Meet, meet. These two words are homophones. That means they have the same pronunciation but a different spelling. As non-native speakers, when we see words with a different spelling, it's tempting to give them a different pronunciation. But these two words are truly identical. Meet, meet. Notice the long vowel sound in these two words. E. Meet, meet. In English, you often say a different word when you mispronounce a vowel. If you make the E sound in meet too short, you're probably going to be saying this other word. Mitt, mitt. A mitt is a thick leather glove often used in baseball for catching the ball. Mitt, mitt. Let's compare these three words. Meet, meet, mitt. Say them out loud after me. Imitate the way I say them. Meet, meet, mitt. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so other English students can find it too. Thank you. Say these two words after me. Imitate the way I say them. Remember that they have an identical pronunciation. Meet, meet. If you want to find out more about the phonetic symbols that I use throughout my videos, have a look at my free English course. Go to learnenglishwithmaria.com/free.